Wow, this is so amazing and colourful. I'd love to find out more.
So we're here at the 2018 Mini Living installation built by all. Shall I show you around?
Yes, please. So could you explain the idea behind the concept of built by all?
Yes, of course. So for this year we thought about what would the world look like if everybody could become an architect. That's why we converted this empty warehouse in the heart of Milan into a fully inhabitable space. As you can see, it's expressing a lot of personality. It's full of colors and shapes and fun to experience as well. So for this year we worked together with Studio Mama, a London-based design practice.
How did the collaboration between Mini Living and Studio Mama come about?
Yeah, Mini and Studio Mama basically share the same mindset. It's all about creative use of space, a fun experience and a very human-centric design approach.
Would you like to show me the living unit?
Yes, of course. Let's go over there. So as you can see here, this year it's all about small spaces expressing a lot of personality. That's when architecture is best. That's why each living unit has a very distinct shape and a very specific set of functions integrated.
So what challenges do you think we face in the future of urban living?
Yeah, so Mini is always looking for new approaches and the creative use of space, because maybe the lack of space isn't really the problem, but more the way we use it.
So what next for Mini Living?
Well, it's time to book your ticket. We're going to open our first Mini Living building in Shanghai in April next year. I see you at the welcome party.
Yeah, see you there.